Good morning, DJ. It is Tuesday, February 17th. The time is currently 9:14 a.m. It is a bloody good morning, DJ. Oh, it's been a long weekend. Oh, this weekend's been long. A lot has happened this weekend, which we'll talk about while we're in the charts. But yeah, long weekend, but we back day after a holiday. All right. So this account moving forward, obviously, when we go live, I will not be trading it on days of post holiday. But today, okay, we're still demoing, we're still working on our execution and our trade management. Right, I understand. That's why I'm making you aware, DJ, that on a day like this, I would not be trading on the particular account that we're here for. But anyway, I digress and let's continue. Woke up today at 7:45, 7:45, 7:49, all right. Switched my alarm to 7:15 and 7:30. So it gives me that extra 15-minute buffer, right? That I'm alerted and then I can lay down for a little bit and then be up by 7:45. Obviously, worked out kind of good today. All right. Only like 4 minutes after I was supposed to be getting up. So we'll take that for today. Got my morning routine in, all right. Arrived at my desk at 9:12. As always, my weekly target's 5%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us this week. Excited to continue to grow and get 1% better. My main focus going into this week is just purely just trading my three-step process based on the dealing range and nothing else, right? So we're using this week to see how it would be if we're just purely just going based off trades based off on that, collecting data on that and seeing because I like what I saw on my back testing session. So I just kind of don't want to have too much on the chart that I don't need that confuses me. So I just kind of want to focus on what I need to focus on for the three-step process and see if we can eliminate some stuff out of our charts. Risk disclaimer: I accept any risk that comes to trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News. All right, we have news today. We have high impact news that came out at 8:30, and medium impact news came out at 8:30. We have another medium impact news coming out at 10, two of those coming out at 10. So we have news today. Making an optimal day to take a trade. Day before FOMC, tomorrow's FOMC, one stage FOMC. Anyway, we have news today, making optimal days to take a trade. Weekly program going to this week. Oh, another thing that I'm focusing on this week as well. It's just purely based on session bias and not weekly program. I am going to say my weekly program, but I will not be trading based off that. It will not be a factor, I should say, in terms of when I'm managing my trade. My pro trades will be my pro session trades and counter trades will be the retracement setup. So that's what we'll be focusing on this week. All right. But my weekly program going to this week is a sell program. Okay, let's go ahead and review price action to see if anything's happened to change that for us. Not that it matters when we go into the chart this week, but I'm just making you aware of it, DJ. Dollar, dollar, dollar. All right. Dollar's rallying a little bit more higher into this inefficiency here for me. Okay, kind of seem to be body-wise respecting this inefficiency. All right, so I want to see how price behaves in the remainder of this inefficiency, all right, which will tell me potentially where price could be heading to next. Could be coming in here to take buy side into this inefficiency here. But overall, all right, I'm still risk on dollar, meaning dollar lower. Everything else should be going higher. T-bonds shot up, all right, took buy side into this daily inefficiency here. Okay, I want to see some sort of a retracement or into discount to continue higher. Potentially use this as support back in here. We do have an inefficiency in here as well. So dollar lower, everything else should be going higher. Nothing here has at my current standard price action is happening to change my weekly program. Electing to stick with risk on dollar lower and Q higher. The average is sorry, so good. So we closed below this inefficiency here on Dow. So I want to see this act as an inversion per value gap. All right, and price remain below it, which is as respecting as that. All right, and continue to go lower. Broke back below. We have this tiny inefficiency in here that I want to see keep price lower. But other than that, nothing's really happened in price, okay, to change my weekly program. So I'm gonna elect to stick with being in a sell program. Yeah. . On the 15 minute, I'll keep it like this for now or light, okay, but um I really want to take these off as well, but we'll keep it here for on the 15 minute for now. Dealing ranges were good there. 20 days good. 60-day good. We got previous week, we got previous day in there. Um, yeah, dealing range and get on with it. And now we wait. Nothing more, nothing less. Dealing range equilibrium is right at midnight open price. Interested. Yesterday's price action was very nice for a bank holiday, shortened session. It was sexy. Oof. Setups were clean. Uh, oof, 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 oof. Long ass weekend, DJ. My leg's still recovering. My notifications for this camera is just piled up, boy. Good morning, good morning.
Morning, good morning. We back on it.
Yes, we are. What a long weekend.
Oh, tell me about it.
You good?
Yeah, how was your weekend?
It was all right. It was a bit long, but it was all right. It was good. What about
That's,
you?
my weekend was good. I mean, it was just chilling for the majority of it.
Did you get to watch the videos
Which videos?
from the guy?
Oh, no, not yet. That's this week.
Oh, oh, okay. Oh,
I'm
yeah, you're
I'm
off this week, right?
I'm off this week, yeah. So
Oh,
like I already started. I've been going through Fib with settings. I'm on Fib 2. Fib 3 is next. I'll probably bang those out today. Um I'll probably bang a couple of these out hopefully today. I got a couple things to get done too. So we'll see.
how was yesterday for you?
Yesterday was good actually. I got a small buy.
Mhm.
It presented itself, so I was like, I'll take it. And then, like you said, it was a retracement trade.
Yeah,
Then before it just kind of came back into the same area. So
yeah.
it was good though. It was good. What about you? How was your weekend?
It was good. My legs are feeling it though, but it was good.
How many games you did?
Altogether, I did what? Started what? I did three on. No, I did five. Well, not counting the red. We'll do just the tournament. I did three on Saturday, four on Sunday, and three on Monday. So it wasn't too bad.
Not that bad, no.
Yeah, it's like a regular weekend with an extra day added on top of it.
Yeah.
You just feel like a long time away from the market, though, you know.
I feel you.
Sometimes it's needed, though.
I feel you. I feel you on that.
What are you looking at today?
I'm looking at, I see a 4 hour breaker on NAS. Um,
That big candle from last week?
yeah, I have, it's
Yeah.
the four hour at 6 a.m. on February 13th. I think that was Friday.
Oh, 6 a.m.
Yeah. So it turned breaker, so, and it's rejected that
Oh,
area a few times already. Um,
for a sell, right?
yeah, I'm looking at that for a sell if it comes back, but I think I'm just gonna wait right now for
Mm-hmm.
sure. Um, just gonna be patient. Just gonna
Did
be.
you go to the gender review this weekend? I thought you said you was going to another one.
Yeah, it was a girl too.
Oh, another girl. Oh.
Savannah's on a fucking run. Cause I keep saying that she's gonna be a boy, and she keeps going against me just to go against me.
That's how it be.
About to be a little girl running around and shit. So that's her family though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's her like her side of the family.
Yeah, we always go black.
Kicking off 9:30. Wee.
Ooh.
Decent size opening range gap. It is above price, so we gap down.
Let's
Let's
see.
see what the market brings. We here and we ready.
To be honest, what I want to see is potentially like a false break to the upside to then go lower. That's what it's been doing. It did that the other day too. It gave a false break to one direction before taking the other side.
Right.
But it came in to tap my 1 hour almost. Got
Mm-hmm.
close. And then now it's falling. Well, let's see.
So you said you go slowly going to trade based on 4 hour and 1 hour order blocks, right?
Yeah, I mean, those are where my entries are gonna be at. Like that's where I'm trading off of those order blocks, but then like this is where it gets a little tricky, right? Because there's some order blocks within those on the lower time frames that like kind of redefine it, which
Mm-hmm.
you know always doesn't clarify things, but it's all right.
So what's tricky about it for you?
I'm taking in either those small order blocks or just using the bigger one.
Right.
But right now, price is doing what I want it to do. Hopefully it pushes up and then goes down for the sales.
That's what we're here for.
Yep. This that area I would like to sell at.
Here?
Uh,
Web
at yeah, at that breaker, like 24,693.
24,673. Okay. Right here.
It already gave a couple rejections. I could have gotten it, but I'm gonna wait, just see how it reacts.
You have breakfast this morning?
I did. I had I had salmon, 3 eggs, and I'm still in the middle of eating my vegetables.
Oh, damn. For breakfast? All right.
Yeah, so we're doing like this
Carnivore?
kind of not really because we're still eating other things like but just kind of cutting out carbs right now.
Oh, got you.
Yeah. Let's see. So yeah, so I mean, I've been eating like this is like my every single day. Like I eat like a bowl of vegetables.
Uh,
Was full to the brim, by the way.
You've
I left so far.
been yumming on that. After your salmon and 3 eggs? Damn. Mhm.
And my tea.
Mhm.
We went to the gym yesterday, like dummy early.
Mhm.
That was pretty good.
What did you guys work on?
Upper body.
Oh, okay.
Yep. All right, so this trade wouldn't have hit. Good thing I sat on my hands. Patient.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to buy.
Mhm.
Since I'm looking at this on a 1 hour.
Order filled.
That's not what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, sometimes it has a mind of its own.
Yeah, Nas is out of here. It really wasn't an entry for me to get into anywhere.
It will be back.
100%. I have this 4-hour order block above that it could be trying to hit. So we'll see how it reacts there.
The 2 a.m. candle?
Yeah. Yeah. I have that 4-hour order block up there. So we'll see how it reacts there. And I'm really looking for a sell. That was it. But I don't see why we're buying, but it's cool. Sitting on my hands for that one.
So you said you're back above the 50, right? 50K?
Yeah.
Go.
We back up.
No
Hoping.
longer in drawdown.
Yeah, I was in a decent amount of drawdown, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Is it gonna try to hit previous day high? Because if that's the case, then
Previous day highs a bit up there.
yeah. Let's see. Daily.
We do have Asia high above price.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Right at around right where my 4-hour OB is at.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see. Either I use that 4-hour OB for an entry to sell, or I use it for an entry to continue.
Higher.
Yeah. Yep. Just looking at this on the high time frame, like between the 4-hour and the 1 hour, like that's what I see. What about you?
Well, we took dealing range buy side, so I'm kind of anticipating a retracement for a continuation.
Mm-hmm.
Just seeing what the market gives.
That's all we can do.
Yeah.
Patience. Hey, get into my OB.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, boy.
You're gonna wait for some rejection first, right?
Yeah, it has to get to my order block before I even really consider anything.
The bodies, right?
Yeah, I mean my 4 hour OB has no wick below
Oh yeah, no, yeah, it's just a full body stop there. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
full body, so I had some rejection, but patience.
He hasn't hit it yet, no?
Nah, I haven't even tapped it. It was about 10 points from hitting it. It's pushing. It's pushing bullish, it's pushing bullish. Come on. Give me a
To give her entry.
yeah, just give me an entry so you can keep selling. Oh, new 15-minute candle. Yep,
In 3 minutes.
yep.
My neck, boy. My neck's hurting me.
All that running you was doing.
For real, man. I did 3 centers on what day was it? Sunday.
Hmm.
My God, that shit was and a U19 cent. Oh my God.
A lot of running.
Yeah.
Was it rec or not?
No, it was the tournament. Western tournament. Western Cup, whatever the hell it's called.
Oh, price.
Here we go, Shakespeare.
You gave me 10 points for entry. Come on,
Mhm.
dog.
Mhm.
I
What do you
see
think?
I see like a 15-minute OB where I could have gotten in, but it's not my 1 hour. My 4 hour, I mean. Damn, no rejection in that area was nice, but still not what I want. If I would have gotten in where it peaked at though, I would have got my 100 points already.
Oh yeah. For the sale?
Yeah.
But there was nothing there for you to enter on, so
Not on the 1 hour. On the 15-minute, yeah. But that's a whole lot of
movement right there.
I should just wanted to come take people out and then
Yeah.
push bearish. What? There's a little 1 hour OB right here. Not
For
term breaker, but
a sell?
no, for a buy.
Mm.
But I really was looking for that sell. Could already have happened. We're right at previous day low.
Yeah. Well, close to it.
I have 24,670 as previous day low. What do you have it as?
Hold on. 20-day or yesterday's low. This candle here, it is 24,578.75.
Oh, you're down here. Oh, okay. I got it now.
Previous day, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Damn, that cell was clean, but
All right. You'll get the next up.
nah, that's for sure. Not pressed. Can't be pressed.
Definitely not.
But you know, it did what I said I wanted it to see it do. I wanted it to break the daily range to the upside to then look for the sell. It just didn't give me no entry up there.
This when you go back and see if where, if there was an entry for you, where could it have possibly have been, right?
I mean, there was an entry on the 30-minute.
Okay, well, there you go.
But you know, since I want to just try to stick to the 4 hour and the 1 hour, like
Well,
it
it's all data collection, right? Stick to the 4 hour, 1 hour for this week and pay attention to what happens in price. And if, you see 30 minutes is giving you entries and the 1 hour and the 4 hour isn't, then you can just include that in there.
yeah. Yeah, if I would have gotten in on this 30-minute, I would have been able to get a good 1 to 2, been done.
Yeah, that's it. Your day done. Washing your
Done
hands.
now. I can carry on. But it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I actually need to get my book. You see anything?
No, waiting for the continuations out, but nothing right now. I'm watching a few things though, but Nothing that I would engage in right now.
Okay. Let me go back around.
Right.
The big ass fucking wick though. And 230 points.
Well, for the current candle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Let's see, you might want to take dealing range low here. So it looks like it's heading for.
Yup. And if it does so, I'm looking at that 8 a.m. If it closes below,
Mm-hmm.
that 8 a.m. turns into an order block for me.
The
At
1
the
hour.
23.6 level,
Mm-hmm.
could get a sell right there. If it takes daily range low. If it doesn't, then just gonna sit. Sit, 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 sit. What's today? February 17th?
Yeah. Yep, that's definitely where it's heading. Said nobody stop me.
Yup, 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 yup.
Going on 2x, going on.
Did that shit last week.
Mm-hmm.
False break to the upside and then came right back to the other side. Those false break setups be
It'd be nice though.
it'd be nice. I mean, like for real. I just jotted that down. Like I was looking for the sell off that 4 hour and it ended up coming to a 30-minute order block right below that 4 hours. So just something to look at for the future.
Yeah. Yeah. Mhm.
It feels so good knowing I don't have to work today. Like
Just relaxed, yeah.
Just chill. Like I don't gotta do anything else.
Taking dealing range sell side, flipping bias to sells.
Yup, yup, yup. Market conditions make it crazy.
But it's been giving some really nice setups though.
It has. If
Yeah.
it's just like the trust in it though, you know?
She. I'm
But I guess
for
right?
me, I'm good. I trust it.
I'm glad. Shit.
Like yesterday was really nice. For a day of like a bank holiday like that, I was like, wow, that was some clean ass price action. No. Nice. I'll be watching this retracement set up here. Still in my platform.
Yeah, I want don't close below. Close below. That's all you gotta do is just close below.
What on the 15-minute?
No, no, on the 1 hour.
1 hour?
On the 1 hour, I just needed to close below. Then it can retrace back up a little bit to then continue to the sell side. I have a daily, I think I have is this a daily order block or is this a 4 hour order block? I have below it. I have a 4 hour order block at 24,433.
Oh, 33.
So about 100 point order block though.
433.
Hold on. I have a 4 hour order block off of November 21st at 2 a.m.
21st, Friday. Yeah.
Yeah. I have an order block there that got tapped already. So depending on how we are. Yeah, this is the trade I'm looking for. Retracement into 8 a.m. order block
Mm-hmm.
to continue lower. Yep, yep.
That would be a boss. Leave that there. Look at this one here. So right now you're waiting for the retracement back into the order block?
Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's. Yeah, I'm looking at that 1 hour. but let's see.
Oh. Yeah, people took any trade today yet or no?
Yeah, he took a US 30 trade to buy, but it ended up going to stop loss for him.
Mm.
All right, let's go. Come back into my entry.
Yeah. I'll be interested in the retracement setup here. We take this high. Let's go.
You're in?
No. It hasn't taken the high yet.
You looking for sells or buys?
Well, this would be a retracement setup. Will be a buy to get the sell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come retrace, get back in, and let me get my 3 contracts. Take you lower. Yup. Yup.
Do that retracement thing that you want to do.
Yup.
And counter trend. That would be what.
You right there.
You're right there.
You're
You got-
right
you gotta
there.
spit some Shakespeare for. All
You're
right, so
right there.
trading view entries ain't working. Nice. Right there. Come on, man. Give her her entry.
Eight points from entry.
8 points.
8 points from entry.
I guess it didn't want to let me in this trade, so I'm just watching it.
That's all we could do.
Yeah, at
That's
this
all.
point. Because trading view is like, you're not getting this one.
Yo. Top step is saying no. Woo. Woo.
Like, dude, we're trying to save you.
Five points away from entry.
5?
It was 5 points away from entry, and it already gave TP1.
God, yeah.
Yeah. That first trade was the one. It's all good.
Most certainly is. I mean, at least you watched it. So,
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
yeah.
Give me a little bit of a push up and then down. This is gonna start dropping.
Yeah. Yep. So you missed the boat, you missed the bus.
I missed the ride.
Yeah.
It's cool though. It's always tomorrow.
Yep. There's always another bus.
Always, always, always.
And we're still early into the morning session, you know?
Yeah, it's still 10:09. I mean, if I'm trading off of the 4 hour and the 1 hour, then that,
Not much time for you there, huh?
yeah, there's really not much of the entries that I would get into.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, there's really not much else I would get into. Especially on those higher time frames. Like I would have to go into a lower time frame, redefine shit, and
Mm.
not only that, but like where 25 points from a 4-hour order block below.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I don't see. Could this mean? Maybe today's just not a trading day for me, to be honest with you, also.
Well, today is a day after a holiday. Typically, on the account that I'm here for, I won't be trading. I won't be taking in a trade on a live account. I will demo it though.
Yeah. Give me my entry. If it would have given me my entry, I'd be flirting with TP2 right now.
Mm-hmm.
God damn.
Just wasn't the one for you, you know?
That's that. Past that.
Trading view like, thank me now, please, for not getting you in that trade. Oh,
That's 2 trades for the day that just missed my my entry. Wow.
boy, be hitting TP2 for you?
Yeah, it already hit it.
Oh, yeah.
Like
Yeah,
this
already out of the trade mentally.
this trade idea probably already cooked, low key.
Oh, wait, well, it could be coming up here to give you a chance now.
I might just have to change my strategy at this point.
Oh my goodness.
Nah, I'm fucking with you, but um, I mean, patience.
Just the time frame, probably, not the strategy. The time frames.
I mean, it gave me so. All right, I guess because I'm being very strict with it too, you know.
Yeah.
But if you're not strict, then like you can't really see
Yeah.
the fruits of your labor. Oh, ran previous day low. I see price going lower. It's gonna keep going lower.
So when it came up here, you was waiting for a 1 hour breaker for it to come into?
Right now,
No, up here when you said it was 5 points away from your entry point.
it was a 1 hour breaker off that 8 a.m. I mean, not a breaker, order block.
Right.
That 8 a.m. order block. Because you see how that 9 a.m. candle closed?
Mm-hmm.
I said I wanted it to close not that big, but shit. Um, yeah, that's what I was looking for. And then I was gonna use that 1 hour order block as an entry. It came 5 points away. Flirted with it. It said, nope, I don't like it.
The bodies, right? But it came into the wick.
Yeah, it came into the wick, but
Mm.
that's a big ass wick for me to be fucking with
Right.
and marking up. Like that's already like if I got it anywhere within the wick, I mean 50 points easily could have gotten smacked.
For your stop?
Yeah, easily. So that's why I like to use the bodies.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
You had no faith in me.
Give me an entry. Give me an entry. Give me an entry.
Oh, it's coming up.
It is indeed. Just it came up and it was two points away from my entry. Yo, this is it's at my entry.
Mm-hmm.
Pull the trigger. It's really not trying to give me no. Does it want to push? Yeah, it wants to push. Are you gonna not?
So what do you need to see then? Some rejection?
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
seeing it.
Yeah, it's not doing that at all.
Uh-uh. Are you just coming in to grab some or what?
What the hell? Look at this shit. Now it's popping up with my limit my order. Yo, piss off. Thank you. All right, so they're doing maintenance. Thank you very much for letting me know that. Anyway, -1 would have been hit on that retracement setup.
Yeah.
Kept us in, luckily. I guess I'll be tape reading today because TradingView is under maintenance.
Oh,
Yeah. They said that their paper trading is under maintenance. So, all right, I'll be interested in the sell here. I'm watching it. So, let's see.
I got my entry.
Yeah.
I'm on that. There's rejection there. Targeting that 100 points. This 15-minute candle basically has to like completely switch or go back all the way to entry for me.
Well, how many contracts? 3?
3. Yeah, I'll probably take at TP1. I'm gonna take out 1 contract though. If we get there.
If and when.
If and when. What did I do? I sold, so all right, let's give me some. Keep folding, keep folding.
I don't think we don't have plausible deniability, but -1 is in close. I don't think it would have took me out there, so I would just wait.
You're in.
Definitely took me out there, -1. I really hope it doesn't enter me in this buy here. I'd be really upset with trading view, but whatever, it's demo. It doesn't matter. Stop. 0.75. 33. Bro.
We were 2 points from my TP1
Oh yeah?
right now, yeah.
How many contracts?
I'm gonna put this laptop to charge.
7, and it's a pro trend trade, so 3 would come off at -1 and would be at 6333. I just had it right there.
Okay, TP1.
Smashed.
TP1 was hit. Damn, but now it's not. Damn. I'm gonna just let all 3 contracts hit TP2.
-2. Trade will be at entry right now. You say you're gonna let all of them hit TP2?
Yeah.
Or you didn't want to take something off?
Nah. I don't see a reason to right now.
So when it comes to like partial in, it's based on market price action for you?
Yeah.
All right, that's fair.
So yeah. I mean, I could take right now.
I will always pay the trader when the market gives the opportunity to pay the trader, because with these markets, it could turn on you real quick.
You're not wrong. Yeah, I took my TP1.
Yeah.
Took a little bit off.
Yeah, that's good. At least now it's reduced a little bit of the risk and you've got partial.
Yes. Damn, this is the thing that's been stabbing me. Yup. Just keep going. Just keep swimming. Just keep.
Yeah, exactly. For real.
Ooh. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, 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 swimming to the downside.
So let's set up here.
Yep. I'm just eyeing it on the 1 minute right now. Come on, you were right
God.
there. Hold on. Wow, I'm gonna be so sick. All right, we
For
already,
what? For TP2?
yeah. Wow, we were right there. There's no way. Literally, not even a point.
Give it time. We'll come back down.
Not even a point.
It will give it to you.
It
They
will.
really tagged me in this trade here. Oh my goodness, what is happening?
It said, hold on. Let's
You're the one.
give me a second. I gotta answer this real quick.
Go ahead.
I'm still on this FaceTime, but I muted them. I got stopped out at TP1 because I put my stop loss there.
What? What? You normally don't move your stuff at TP1 though.
You're not wrong, but that's what just happened. And Price is flirting with my TP2, so
It's all right. I mean, at least it wasn't a loss, right, of a trade, but you did
oh,
break the rule there.
I did. Actually, hold on. I put for 3 contracts, take 2 contracts at TP2 and leave 1 runner with stop loss at TP1. So yeah, I did not follow.
Yeah, it's all good though.
And it still wouldn't even have taken me out so right now, but
Not at TP2.
yeah, no, it still wouldn't even have taken me out. I was literally 1 point from my TP2.
Damn. Oh, he's gonna go there.
Yeah.
I have faith. I have faith.
It's all right though. Like the day with what I got, I'm
Yeah.
pretty content.
All right. That's all that matters then. As long as you know where you went wrong and try to do better next time.
That's it. That's all I could do.
Yeah. Period.
Give me a second.
No worries. It would have got your TP2 now, no? -3 here for us.
Me and the markets are not friends today.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. That's my fault though. That's
no,
really my fault. Like there was no other reason for me to really do that besides
yeah.
just me being silly. Yeah, it would have given me my TP2. That was a clean trade though.
Yeah, it was a very clean trade.
Clean
No
trade.
drawdown.
Minimal.
Yeah.
Yup,
We're
yup.
targeting external liquidity here, dealing range low. So let's see. Three, 2, 5, 6, 7. -4 would be terminus according to our contract size. Let's see. Oh, it did, didn't it? Give me another opportunity then. Right, terminus. -4. Smash, that'll be it from us there on that one. Terminus. Well, not terminus. External liquidity. Get liquidated. And we're getting taken out of this fake trade that we were in. Oh my God. Where is this? 30. Internal to external. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Good.
Oh, God. First time seeing it. It would be in there here, so another entry. Keep an eye. Really lazy dog. Yeah. It would be in that still. Trade. Damn. Half of the battery. -1. Thank you very much. We'll reduce our risk there. Let's see. Buying and selling, selling and buying. I'll make it. Come make a show you now. No, right. 10:50 macro about to kick off.
Alice,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go right now. Let's do a trade recap. I'll hop
Okay.
on for the PM session.
All right. Trade performance review for you. Let's do it then. What did you do well today?
I showed up. I stuck to the plan in terms of waiting patiently.
Yeah. You did do that well.
What? I could have done better. I could have done better. I could have not put my stop loss at TP1 because
Wait, where did you fall short? Where did you fall short?
I fell short right there, moving my stop loss to TP1. But honestly, like the trade itself looked really, really good, like at the time. So it's just
Yeah.
trusting.
Yeah, like I said, it's about seeing it so many times that it's like, yeah, even if you take a loss, it's fine. I'm gonna trust my model, my procedures, my trade management, and let it do its thing, right? So
Yeah.
yeah. How can you improve for next day, next trading session then?
Next day, next trading session, just continue to show up the same way I've been showing up and taking what I learned today. Don't following my rules and my model,
Yeah,
right? I
yeah,
have it written in paper, in pen.
right. Exactly.
Oh man.
But it's a different story when you're in front of the charts though, so
100%,
oh,
100%.
yeah.
Get that emotional part out of it.
Yeah. It's a battle every day. But the more you see it, the more you can take that emotional side out of it and be like, yeah, I've seen it so many times that I don't care if it takes a loss, right? So,
Yeah. All right. I'll let you
mm.
go.
All right. Good session. I'll see you for PM, yeah, you said?
Yeah, I'll see you for PM for a little bit because I got a couple things to do, but I want to see just like go over like today's trade since we're not going over it right now.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. I'll see you
All right.
then.
See you. Bye.
Take care. -2 on that, DJ. All right. Trade will be at entry, which is 49,498. I believe that's 50. I want to say that's 50. Yep, 50. And this would have been a bus, 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 bus. Bus, 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 bus. That's 950 though. So -2. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Solid stuff today I'm seeing here, DJ. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. I'll be getting out here soon too, DJ. Niggas is starving. Got a new bottle, DJ. B-Day present. Excuse me. Finally on Sunday. I left off at Thursday. -2 on that retracement setup here. We're watching this here. We do have a low here getting raided. So entry would be there. Gonna do a trade performance review in a bit, DJ. Let me get to Monday. That would have been a bust. Not yet, anyway. Not close to being a bust. Definitely taking an L there. But would you really need to take another trade, you know? I think so. We're gonna go over the setups this morning because they were just too clean, too nice to ignore. All right, got to Monday. All right, DJ, what I did was, should I do what I did well, trade performance review, and then yeah, let's do a trade performance review. What I did well, DJ, is that I showed up, all right, got 1% better, gained experience and learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day, next trading session. All right, definitely got closer to my model, my procedures and protocols and what I'm looking for in price, and just strictly focusing on that. I've also noticed something new that I'm not new, but something interesting that I'm collecting data on and as a PDRA, all right, which will be the opening prices, which is what we based our sell here on. Okay, and then obviously it did give us another opportunity using internal liquidity there, but something I collected data, noticed in my backtesting session that I'm continuing to collect data on as we go into, as obviously we gain more experience in price action. All right, what a bang of retracement setup that was. Where we at? -3 getting smashed there. Came close, right? To even on this local entry here, I still didn't even come to your stop to take you out, or I still would be in that local entry right here. Potentially maybe if it allowed you to reduce risk, I don't know if it would have kept you in there. That tiny ass low here to high. -1 is there. Stop would come to here. Yeah, would have come and taken you out. But obviously this one candle also takes this high, so this will be our entry point, and that's what we'll be basing our entry and risk on. Set valid setup there. Beautiful. Showed up 1% better. All right. Stuck to my model, my precision protocols didn't deviate from it. They didn't take any trades outside of my model precision protocols. So very happy and pleased with that. Okay. Where I fell short this morning, I woke up at a decent hour, got my morning routine, went in chart wise. I would say where I fell short was entering this retracement setup, even though there was nothing wrong with it, right? It gave me -1. It was only 2 contracts. Well, yeah, 2 contracts anyway. All right. For it was what counter trend trade, half of it will be coming off, which would be 1. So it would have allowed me to take something on and reduce risk. Obviously, the trading view had other plans, but I wouldn't say it was a fallen shot, right? Obviously, I did say that I would only be entering continuation setups in the demo phase, right? But still, nothing wrong with engaging here and taking a loss. But I would say that's where I fell short, right? But other than that, chart wise, I don't think I fell short anywhere else. All right, all the setups that I saw, all right, I would have engaged and I would have taken it and had no qualms about the outcome or whatsoever. Okay, majority of them would have panned out anyway. So yeah, anyway, after if you took this and you took a loss here, you'd be going for 1 minute, and we don't get a 1 minute at all here, so you wouldn't have took another loss inside of this interval. But if you did take only this one and you took a loss, right, you still would be waiting for the next interval or 1 minute, and it still hasn't given you anything yet, so you would be fine there. So yeah, all in all, don't think I fell short really pretty much, aside from entering that retracement setup when I said I would only enter continuation setups, which is fine. I don't mind. I'm trying to get accustomed to entering both sides anyway, because that's what I'll be doing. I'll be getting 2 accounts and taking retracement setups and continuation setups. How can improve the next trading session is just keep showing up, keep showing up, keep seeking excellence in everything I do. All right. Don't let short-term adversity, series of losses deter me from what I got going on. I think my 3-step process is sound, is solid. I don't need any more. I don't need anything less. Right. That's all I need. And we'll just keep collecting the data and keep building confidence. But before we get out here, let's get back in the day and take a look at our trades of the day, of the trades of the session here. Okay, this one here, the initial one, at my current understanding of price action, okay, I wouldn't have had confidence to enter that one, all right, because that's not a setup I would take. But looking at it now, right, in hindsight, because it's 2020, it's perfect, right? We take the range to the buy side. We're in premium. We come into weekly open price, into previous day's equilibrium, into also a new week opening gap. So there were just a lot of premium arrays here. All right, that was aligning with price action here. What was happening here, and that would have went well to a retracement setup. So, do you have a PD array above our external liquidity, right? I'm seeing that it does give me an early indication, all right, that price is potentially starting the retracement. If we go way above the external liquidity and we go into a premium, it does give me an early indication, which is something I have noticed in price action that I'll continue to collect data on. All right, but this was a solid setup here. All right, this one was fair too, right? If you took this run here and you took a loss, There was nothing wrong with that. All right. As our precision protocol states, in this particular interval, you'll be waiting for a 1 minute. Does give you a 1 minute market structure shift right here when it comes down and takes this low in here. Okay, so this would have been your 1 minute entry right here. After taking a 15-second loss here, this would bring your 1 minute entry. All right, into internal liquidity. Potentially first one being will be yeah, because here you would be also anticipating something. More data needs to collect there, like I said, on the opening price, but either way, it would have been a loss there if you did engage in this one as a buy. Nothing wrong with that. All right, came back down. We saw this retracement set up, came close to our stop, okay, but they didn't take us out. Our stop would be at this swing low. They gave us -1 on that. That's all it did there. This one, oh, this one here, I didn't even track. -7. Oh, I did say it was perfectly in alignment with the +1, I believe, or whichever one this one is. -7 on that one. Retracement setup gave us -3 here. Continuation setup here, beautiful stuff. Here gave us -4.5. That was the trade we were here for. I'm happy and pleased I was able to witness it, identify it, I anticipate it, all right, predict it, and not engage in it, but I still was able to watch it do what it was supposed to do. Okay, then we caught another retracement set up here. Okay, this is what we're currently in right now. It's at -4. Looking like, oh no, what to say, I didn't adjust it yet. Caught this one right here. Okay, 10:30 time and price. Yeah. And looks like it's heading for external liquidity into Asia session buy side here. So we'll be paying attention to that going into PM session. But that was it from us today here. All right, solid stuff, solid setups. All right, clean setups. That's what we like to see. And we're just getting 1% better. So it would have been, if you were done here, I want 10:30, even if we did take this loss, right? Loss, win, win, win. Oh no, we won't consider this a win because it just gave us -1. This would be a tie. We'll leave it as a tie, right? Win, tie, win, loss, win here. Yeah, and that will be conclude our morning session, DJ. All right. Get itching closer and closer to where I want to be, all right, and into getting into live trading. All right. But for now, this week, at least this week, it's gonna continue demo trading and execution and trade management. But I think we're getting to a point where, all that is not second nature yet, but it's becoming second nature already. On our countdown here, we have 43 days until back to live trading. But I think we'll be getting there starting next month, really and truly. I think I'm gonna finish this month out. All right, and then next month, depending on how I'm feeling, because right now I'm feeling good about price action, right? When I'm in here, I'm not panicky, I'm not like excited, I'm not rushing anything. I'm just waiting for my 3-step process and letting price tell me what it wants to do and engaging. If I see my setup, I engage. All right, my entry criteria are met, I engage, and the outcomes are my hands in my model, my trade management's hand, the market's hands, and pretty much that's all I can do. That's what I've been doing, and I'm very pleased and happy with my performance so far. All right, and like I said, we're inching closer and closer to where we want to be and to live trading. DJ on 2 p.m. session. All right, we've had news today. Still makes an optimal day to take a trade. So we'll be back to see what PM session has in store for us today. See if dealing range gets taken here. We have a seek and destroy type of Tuesday going on here. Either way, beautiful setups here for us here. I'm the trader. And 2 p.m. session, DJ. You know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. Happy to be back here into the markets. All right. Yeah, another great week ahead of us. So let's get into it. PM session, see you there, or B square. I'm the trader here signing out. Good luck, good trading. As always, happy hunting.